Varanasi is decked up ahead of Prime Minister's visit. Prime Minister will inaugurate the new Kashi Vishwanath Temple corridor in his home constituency. It is costing 800 crore rupees. This project will allow pilgrims to have a direct access to River Ganga from the temple. BJP has planned month-long celebrations to mark the inauguration. LED screens are going to be put up in temples, ashrams, religious organizations and villages across UP for people to view the event. The UP government will distribute sweets to 8 lakh families. A booklet is also going to be distributed along with sweets highlighting spiritual importance of Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that we will see renovation of Kashi Vishwanath Temple that was destroyed in era of Aurangzeb in the hands of Modi ji tomorrow while speaking at an event in Gujarat. He also added that Hindu centers of faith were left humiliated for years, but Modi government is working to restore them.
મોદી જીના નેતૃત્વમાં મોદીજીએ ભૂલાયેલા આપણા શ્રદ્ધા કેન્દ્રોના જીર્ણોદ્ધારનું કામ ભય વગર અને શ્રદ્ધા સાથે સન્માન સાથે કરવાનું કામ. ઔરંગઝેબના જમાનામાં ક્ષત વિસત થયેલું કાશી વિશ્વનાથનું મંદિર એનો પણ પૂર્ણોદ્ધાર 13મી તારીખે 2 દિવસ પછી નરેન્દ્રભાઈના હાથે કાશી વિશ્વનાથનો भव्य पुनरुद्धार जोवा मळशे.
ये काशी की गंगा जमनी तहजीब का संदेश ये पूरे भारत में, पूरे विश्व में ये संदेश जा रहा है कि आज भी काशी में गंगा जमनी तहजीब जीवित है. आज भी जीवित है. धर्म के नाम पर कोई बांट नहीं सकता है.
The city of Lord Shiva, Kashi, is all set for the inauguration of Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and efforts are being made to make this event much bigger. As you can see the visuals out here, that administration, UP government has decided to distribute prasad, the besan laddus, to 8 lakh families of Varanasi, and that is why you can see that women from different villages have come here to prepare these besan laddus, as order has been given to various centers. More than 3,500 centers have been made for the distribution purposes, while orders have been given to many famous shopkeepers, shops of Varanasi for the sweets. As you can see the procedure, as first I'm showing you the visuals, how the laddus are being prepared from the fresh besan and sugar, and the next step comes in when these laddus, after getting in shape, gets packed in these boxes. What I can see, 2 laddus in one particular box is being packed by here. These are the centers, these are the places or shops to whom the orders have been given to fulfill the needs and make this thing the moment for which Kashi Vishwanath, the Kashi, entire Kashi was waiting since long. With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.
श्री काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर बनकर तैयार हो चुका है. प्रधानमंत्री अब इसका लोकार्पण करेंगे, लेकिन हम आपको मुख्य मंदिर यानी कि बाबा विश्वनाथ का जो मुख्य मंदिर है, हम उसके प्रांगण में मौजूद हैं और चारों तरफ प्रांगण का जो नया रूप है हम आपको दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेकिन पहले उस मंदिर के दर्शन करिए, उस पताके का दर्शन करिए जिसके लिए लोग दूर दूर से आते हैं. ठीक इस मंदिर के नीचे वो गर्भगृह है, शिवलिंग है, जहां पर बाबा विश्वनाथ विराजमान हैं. इस नए रूप को आप देख सकते हैं. बिल्कुल खुला खुला हुआ ये प्रांगण पूरा का पूरा, और इस प्रांगण में अब बिल्कुल नए तरीके से ये काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर दिखाई दे रहा है. आपको सोने का शिखर, सोने की पताका और सोने का ही मंदिर का जो स्वरूप है ऊपर का, वो आप इस वक्त देख सकते हैं. तो यानी कुल मिलाकर वाराणसी में बाबा विश्वनाथ के इस नए स्वरूप को लेकर दिव्य और भव्य काशी की जो बात की गई है अब लोगों के सामने है.
Samarth Srivastava is now joining us live, reporting from Varanasi. Samarth, many would argue that this is 800 crore rupees of the taxpayers' money which is going into, distributing sweets and making this corridor. Perhaps because the country is coming out of COVID wave, this could be better utilized for development of healthcare infrastructure or education for that matter.
Well, it seems that Kashi is happy, Kashi is smiling, and Kashi is delighted. First time reporting from Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and want to show you the visuals. Right behind me is the temple, the gold-plated temple with a flag and the Trishul of Lord Shiva at this particular Kashi Vishwanath corridor, the Kashi Vishwanath Dham. as you can see, the devotees have come here to take blessings of Lord Shiva, and this is the biggest reason why Kashi Corridor is seen as a success, because earlier people have to go through the narrow lanes, have to stuck in the traffic jams, but with this corridor the diameter has increased, and that is why the rush of devotees will get lessened. And I'm showing you the visuals how the entire Kashi Vishwanath corridor is decked up. You are seeing the visuals how beautifully the majestic Varanasi is decorated. The entire Kashi corridor is dedicated with flowers. Efforts are on to make it to the best possible. As you are seeing the visuals how beautifully the entire corridor, the main gate of entrance, I'm showing you to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and such temples which came out from various old houses which were taken up by the administration, and this beauty itself tells the story of entire Varanasi, not just Kashi corridor but entire Varanasi, and that is why it is seen as a major push-up for Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of Uttar Pradesh elections. As
Samar, there you go. There is Bharatiya Janata Party spending 800 crore rupees on this Kashi Vishwanath corridor, sounding off the poll bugle for the upcoming Uttar Pradesh elections right there. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details.